This is a Google Drive tutorial, how to create a document in Google Drive. The objectives of this tutorial are to allow the students to successfully create, share, and collaborate on a Google document. Students also will be able to successfully peer review a shared document by using the comment feature. To use Google Drive, you will need to log into your Google account. Here you will click on Drive. This will take you to your Google Drive page. As you can see, I have no documents of any sort in my Google Drive account or my page. So what we're going to do is we're going to create our first document. Click Create, drop to Document, and click. The first thing that you'll always want to do is create a title for your document. So at the top here you can see it says Untitled Document. To edit this, we simply click on it and type in our new document name, and I'm going to call mine Summer, and click OK. So our document now has a new name, and I want to point out to you that you'll see here where it says all changes saved in Drive. In Google Drive, you do not have to manually save your work. It automatically saves it every few seconds, so you never have to worry about saving it like you do in Microsoft Word. For the Google Drive document, you can see that the tools are similar to those of Microsoft Word. Because you are so well versed in Microsoft Word, I do not feel it's necessary to go over these tools at this time. So what you are going to want to do is start typing your content. We call this Summer, so I want to say I had a great summer. We went to Cedar Point. Okay. Again, I don't have to worry about saving it. I can simply drop up here to my tab where it says My Drive, click on it, and look, it is already there for me. If I click on it, it's the document that I need to work on. Okay, so we'll get rid of that extra document for the moment. I'm going to go back up to my tab. If I start to type here, we had a fun time, and I really don't like that, but I don't want to have to erase it or backspace. I can come over here to File and see Revision History, and you'll see here where I've been making all these changes. Now once you share your document, which we'll get into later, you'll see where other people have made changes. So this is me. You can see where I've made that change in green, and the last change that was made was at 3:11. I can drop back here to 3:10 and restore this version. There was nothing there. So I can come back here to see revisions and look at that. That's what I want. So I want to say restore this version or this revision. So I took that "we had a fun time" off of there. Now I'm going to leave my document as it is, and I'm going to go back to my Drive by clicking on the tab. And at this point, my document is finished as much as I want it to be at the moment. But what I want to do is I want to share my document with other people in my class. So the way to do that is simply to right-click and click Share and Share Again. At this point, you get a window here that pops up, and you can see here you have private, and then you have yourself, and you're the owner. It also gives you a link to share, and this is for the purpose of collaborating with people that do not have a Gmail account. Everyone in our class will have a Gmail account, so this isn't going to be something we need to worry about at the moment. So I want to add people. Well, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to add my other email address. So click on that. So I've added it down here in this Add People box. Now I can click over here for Can Edit, and I can allow this person to comment, to view, and to edit. So I'm going to leave it on edit and then share and save. And notice my other account has popped up there and it's allowing me to edit. So I can delete that if I wanted to. Again, I can make revisions here. I can even change this and allow that person to actually be the owner of this document if I wanted to. And I'm done. So I'm going to click done. And now you'll see where this document beside it now says shared. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to log out of this account and I'm going to log into my other one to show you how it will look once you share a document. So here is, if I go to shared with me, I can see here that I have Summer. Summer was shared with me by the other person. So I can click on this and I can edit this page. So I want to say we had an awesome time there too. Now, to show you this, if I go to the revision history, notice that because I logged in with a separate Gmail account, my changes are now in a different color than the original owners. So that is helpful to see who is making what types of changes. If I decide I don't want that, again, I can just click on an earlier version. So that is really helpful, and it's helpful to see who's making what changes. Now, if I want to comment, say for instance, I want to say, I'm going to click on Cedar Point here. So I'm going to highlight the word Cedar Point because I want to comment actually. So I'm going to comment, and I'm going to comment again, and this time I pop up here with a little box over here to the right hand side so that I can comment. And I can say, this is my favorite place to go. And comment. So now Cedar Point is highlighted in yellow and my comment is there. With this tutorial, I hope you have learned how to create, share, and collaborate on a Google document. I also hope you will be able to peer review others by using the comment section. Thank you.